In this video, I want to show you how to actually expand the functionality of Gephi by installing plugins. So that's fairly easy to do. You just click on Tools, Plugins, and then you see a few of tabs. So if there's maybe a new version of any plugin that you have already installed, then you can find it here in the Updates tab. But most often you would probably need to navigate to this tab here, which is what are the available plugins that are not yet installed in your Gephi environment. So this is really super easy. You just select whatever you want to see. You just mark it, and then you have the install button here. And once you do that, let me just do that for any plugin here. You see there are some questions requiring, because of safety basically, you need to restart. And once you have done this, this plugin is now installed. So super easy installation. Now I should find this particular plugin here. Here it was the Hairball Buster. So here it is. And that's really how you can install plugins with Gephi.